this is an amazing opportunity. This big healthcare facility in Canada is willing to bring you from your home country to work for them in Canada. And the good part of it is that this massive opportunity is not limited to people in the health sector alone. There are opportunities in other sectors. It is specifically mentioned that they will allow you to work with your certificate from your home country. If you are from Nigeria, Philippines, Australia, United States, and India, you are allowed to use your certificates. Then when you come here, you begin to work for 4 months. Then you can now take some exam and transition into their own program to add up to your qualification. Isn't that amazing? That is clearly stated on their website. In Nova Scotia and New Brunswick, internationally educated nurses from countries like the Philippines, Australia, United States, India, and Nigeria can practice with a conditional nursing license for 4 months as they prepare to take their nursing exam. While waiting, IENS will be able to get experience working in a long-term care environment with us. This helps them better understand the medical services we provide and gain more confidence of what nursing care is like in Canada. This is a PR pathway. They are going to sponsor you to Canada. You can move with your family and you're going to become a permanent resident in Canada. Hello family, I'm super excited to bring you this amazing news. If you have been looking for a way to move to Canada with your family and become a permanent resident in Canada, this is a massive opportunity for you to achieve that dream of relocating to Canada. This big organization located in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Ontario is massively recruiting international applicants. This particular organization is one of the biggest employer in the whole of Canada and has been designated by the government of Canada to recruit workers from outside Canada under the Atlantic Immigration Program. So they do not require LMIA, that is the Labor Market Impact Assessment, to bring you to Canada. They already have the freedom of bringing in workers from any part of the world. Now we are currently on Shanex website and it says at Shanex, having diverse and inclusive communities is important to us. With over 400 internationally educated nurses hired since February 2022, our great people come from all over the world. Can you mark that? Yeah, employees come from all over the world and they have been able to recruit over 400 employees from across the world since 2022, including countries like the Philippines, India, Nigeria, my people. Are you willing to move? Brazil, Ukraine, and Vietnam. So are you from any of those countries? They are willing to bring you in to work for them. Although this particular organization is a healthcare facility, there are open positions in other industries. They have so many open positions right now. So all you want to do is stick around with me through this video. Don't skip any part of this video as I take you through the process of applying and landing yourself this life-changing visa sponsorship opportunity. A massive shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for your words of encouragement, and the massive likes I receive on each of my videos gives me enough energy to keep bringing contents to you. Now, Shanex welcome great people from different decades, culture, backgrounds, and profession to create communities that feels like home. So if you are building a career in healthcare, hospitality, or corporate services, be it finance, engineering, IT, that's why I said it's not limited to only health workers. other people from other industries can also benefit from these amazing opportunities. We help to address the need for quality housing services and support for seniors. They have locations in Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and Ontario. The opportunities for frontline, back office, and management professionals are endless. If you are not within Canada, please don't apply to their Ontario facility, because they are going to bring you to Canada under the Atlantic Immigration Program. And Ontario is not part of the Atlantic Immigration Program. It is only limited to New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, and Newfoundland and Labrador. So if you are applying to the opportunities they have in Ontario, you will not be qualified for visa sponsorship. So please, if you are outside Canada, for the sake of emphasis, don't apply to opportunities they have in Ontario. Only apply to opportunities they have in New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, because those two are part of the Atlantic Immigration Program. And if they are bringing you from your home country, they would be applying for you under the Atlantic Immigration Program. I hope you got that clear. I want to know how many of my subscribers followed me here, because this is very important. So just type in the comment section, I understand AIP. Then I would know you followed me up to this point. So just come right here and see current job opportunities. So these are the available job openings. You can see it right here: registered nurse, cook, lead server, licensed practical nurse, continuing care assistant. Now this is worthy of note. If you are looking for caregiver opportunity in Canada, please note that continuing care assistant also means caregiver. So if you are a caregiver, continuing care assistant is what you are going to apply for. So we have workforce services specialist, resident and family service coordinator, receptionist, licensed practical nurse, door attendant, occupational therapist, dietary aid, cook, maintenance. We have a long list of, you can see, administrative coordinator, dining room supervisor. We have a lot of opportunities, and it's not only restricted to people in the health sector alone. We have openings from other industries as well. So you can see it's so massive. You can see general manager. It's a very long list. When you exhaust this page, there are a lot of pages. So just look out for the one that matches your qualification and experience and apply to it. Make sure your CV is in standard Canadian format. If you don't have it, I made a video on how you can build your CV on the job bank within few steps and download it for free. I'm going to attach the video up here and also drop it in the comment section or in the description of this video, and begin to send your CV for any of this job that matches your qualification and experience. So let's apply for one of the positions here. Let's check cook. So when you click on it, you come down here, you see view job details, you click on it. So this job was posted September 17th, that was yesterday, and it's still going to be available up until October. So it's still this is a new job posting and it's still very active. This is the job description. This particular opportunity is located in New Brunswick. So you can see the wages and everything you need to know about the opportunity. So what is the requirement? You must have a high school diploma or a GED. Current food handler certificate is preferred. Then you must have at least 1 year of experience with cooking, if you have been cooking for at least 1 year. So ability to provide a clear criminal record check upon hire, ability to read and follow detailed recipes, instruction as required and communicate in an effective manner in a team-oriented setting, a passion for the health sector, and all ensuring seniors have access to quality accommodation, services, and care. So if you're interested in this job opportunity, all you need to do is just come right there and click on apply now. So right here, you're going to upload your CV. So you just click on resume, then you click on upload. So I've just uploaded my own resume. So I don't want this video to be too long, so you can just continue from there. When you upload your resume, just follow the few steps to input your data, submit your application, and once your application is successful, they are going to reach out to you for an interview, and they're going to take it up from there, giving you the support you need to find yourself in Canada.